An application of linear equation is what are called age problems. When we are solving age problems, we generally will be comparing the age of two people, both now and in the future or past. We will endeavor to determine the present age using the hints provided in the problem. In this problem, there can be a lot of information and we can quickly become lost in it. We will fill out a 3x3 table for each problem to help us organize and solve it. This is an example of basic structure in table of age problem. This is structure. So an application of linear equation is what are called age problems. So we usually utilize the name of the person when we see person 1, person and person 2. In this table, will be used to set up the following examples. Right, let's proceed. Here is the example. Adrian is 20 years younger than Arnold. In 2 years, Arnold will be twice as old as Adrian. How old are they now? This will be our problem that we should solve. So this is the table we are using to find their age in the future or the present. So as they indicated in the problem, we use Adrian and Arnold as our people because the second prize is 2 years in the future. So we used positive 2. Then consider the now section. Adrian is 20 years Arnold's junior. Then Adrian is the subject of the information, not Arnold. As a result, Arnold is now X. So we would deduct 20 to show Adrian is 20 years younger and Adrian is X minus 2. Okay, let's proceed. Adrian, X minus 20, X minus 18. Arnold is our X, then becomes X plus 2. The positive 2 column is now complete. As indicated in the table, this is accomplished by adding 2 new columns for both Adrian and Arnold. And after that, combine terms that are similar. 20, negative 20 plus 2, this table has now been completed. And we are ready to attempt to solve it. So our equation comes from the future statement. A sub 2 equals to A sub 1. So Arnold will be twice as old as Adrian. This means the younger Adrian needs to be multiplied by 2. So replace A sub 2 and A sub 1 with the information in the future cells. Adrian A sub 1 is replaced with X minus 18 and in Arnold, A sub 2 is replaced with X plus 2. This is the equation to solve. Then, distribute through parentheses. Then X plus 2 equals 26 minus 36. Then subtract X from the both sides to get variable on one side. Subtract negative X from both sides. Then after that, so we have 2 equals X minus 36. So we need to clear the negative 36. So add 36 to both sides. Then we have our solution for X. Our X is 38. So we have found out that X is 38. Let's proceed. So the first column will help us answer the question. So this is the age, Adrian and Arnold. So Adrian, to replace the X's with 38 and simplify, Adrian is 18 and Arnold is 38. So as we know the X, just substitute the value of X, then simplify. 38 minus 20 equals 18. Then our X is 38. So we have now the answer, final answer. So we already found out their age. So here is solving age problem, has 5 steps. So let's solve the h problem. We are using the previous example of structure of the table when we are solving linear equation h problem. So 5 years ago is -5 in the change column. So we are talking about from the past. So we use -5 in the change column. So the second table, Karen is 12 years old, older than Danny. We don't know about Danny, so he is X. Karen then is X plus 12. X plus 12, while Danny is X. In the third table, subtract 5 from now column to get the change. So we have Karen, X plus 12, X plus 12 minus 5. And for Danny is X, so X minus 5. We'll just simplify by combining like terms. 12 minus 5. So our table is ready. So for Karen, X plus 12 would be X plus 7. And for Danny, or X minus 5. So C plus D equals 28. The sum of their ages will be 28. So we add C and D. So replace C and D with the change cells or substitute. Then X plus 7 plus X minus 5 equals 28. So remove parentheses. So we have X plus 7 plus X minus 5 equals 28. Then combine like terms X plus X and 7 minus 5. Then 2X plus 2 equals 28. And after that, subtract 2 from both sides. So 2x equals 26. Divide 2x equals 26 divided 2. Then our solution for x is 13. So now replace x with 13 to answer the question. So for Karen, 13 plus 12 equals 25. And for Danny is 13 since he was our x.